Thing you're supposed to add.
Anush, thank you. Oh, something's getting added. Oh, peanuts. 2 teaspoons of garlic and ginger paste, half a teaspoon of Thai green curry,
Sesame oil.
teaspoon of sesame oil, huge teaspoon of honey, about the same amount of lemon juice, and a tablespoon of soy sauce.
Garlic and ginger paste, honey, sesame oil, Thai green curry paste, lemon juice, soy sauce. Gonna give that a mix.
So that's the marinade for the chicken.
Right, nice thin pieces of chicken.
So thin pieces of chicken, get them coated.
Sesame oil to cook our chicken.
You want to cook it really hot. You want that smoke.
Those are looking incredible.
So you don't want them to overcook, but it is chicken, so you do want it to be fully cooked. Against the grain, on the thick part.
Oh yeah, it's perfect.
Boil some water and add your rice noodles to it. The camera into its little bag.
Use the chicken stock cube. I'm going to use some of the water that we boiled our noodles in, because waste not, want not.
This is peanut satay sauce. I found it in my fridge, so let me see if I remember. It was honey, peanut butter, lemon juice. That was it. Mix it together.
So we got a peanutty, chickeny broth, basically.
Cabbage into the pan. We're not going to overcook it.
I just wanted to get some of those beautiful chicken flavors on it.
Add the broth to the cabbage. Okay, well, eat your biryani because it will help you not... So in go the noodles. Whoa. Wow, look at that. It like popped in like it was proper.
I'm going to give that all a beautiful mix.
Thai noodle bowl with chicken. Ricky is busy trying to plate it at the moment.
With one hand, because Ricky
ready
does
to be served. Come on, do the
everything.
dressing. Just plate it on the side, a beautiful tasting.
Pop on all that beautiful chicken. And then weirdly, we're going to put on some nice fresh cucumber.
Add fresh basil. Add some chilies to taste. Red ones because they look pretty. I agree. Something's getting added. Oh, peanuts. Hang on a second. You can't see any noodle, but when I dig down,
Yeah,
look at all that noodle.
It looks amazing.
I want to get a little piece of chicken with this. So a noodle and a piece of chicken. Let's see how it is, everyone.
Now you got to go like noodle, chicken, peanut,
Oh,
basil, get a whole...
these noodles are so good.
Awesome.
You guys, I've
Yes,
never,
thank you, Froggy. You guys prevent haters. Yeah, block them, ban them,
yeah,
eliminate them.
I've never really had these noodles before. I'm so surprised how good they are.
Could you move your... Nice. Say thank you. You didn't make pizza. Yeah, no, thanks, Ratish. Actually, you pushed the comfort zone a
Ratish,
bit.
you are my new hero.
Never
Thank
done
you for
this.
making this happen.
Thai noodle bowl, absolutely exquisite.